We are going to turn the clock back and see a few minutes of movie footage of the Chicago and Northwestern evening scoot rush at Clybourn Station in Chicago in the 1970s, filmed by David Schwengel. The North Line and the Northwest Line come out of downtown Chicago together and separate at Clybourn. C&W called their commuter trains scoots. We're looking toward downtown Chicago with the North Line on the left and the Northwest Line on the right. The concentration of morning trains into Chicago and evening trains out of Chicago was the rush. Here we see some of the subscription-only cars on the North Line. These were privately owned cars and ridership was gained through paying a membership fee. Here we see one of the 6 Crandall cabs. C&W acquired 6 B units from Union Pacific and retrofitted them with operating cabs and control stands. They were named after Milton H. Crandall, the C&W Assistant Superintendent of Motive Power, who came up with the design. Their acquisition in 1973 dates these movies as then or later. All locomotives and cars here are still in C&W paint. The cars reportedly began to receive the RTA scheme around 1980, so we can date these movies as prior to then. I hope you enjoyed this look back at the CNW commuter trains. You can subscribe here, and also there is a link to another of David's movies. Thank you. Bye for now.